4 steps to credit repair. Consumers are sometimes faced with taking steps to repair tarnished credit. Here are 4 steps to help make that happen. Step number 1. Determine your score. You're entitled to an annual credit report from each of the 3 major credit reporting agencies. Order yours at annualcreditreport.com. Step number 2. Review your report and dispute any errors. If you spot any errors on your credit report, dispute them in writing. You'll also need to dispute the charge with your actual creditor. Step number 3. Take steps towards fixing your credit. If you're always late with your credit card payments, set up an automatic bill pay system. If your debt isn't going anywhere, rethink your spending habits. Also, consider debt consolidation or a balance transfer to an interest-free card. And finally, find ways to increase your income using all extra cash for paying down your debt. Step number 4. Ask us for help. We're always happy to help you with any financial situation.